this is it, guys. Naturally, we came here to do some baby food stuff. We end up where we normally buy baby clothes. Believe it or not, we will end up spending nothing less than 200 something or 300 euros to do, as long as we are with her. That's why I don't always like going and shopping with my woman, because she want to buy the food supermarket. Wow. At this moment, we're going to buy cat food. We don't even know what we're going to be using it for, but maybe we want to help our neighbor.
Cat food.
Yeah? Okay.
Where cat food? I'll buy food on my picture.
Oh, sorry, I thought it's cat food.
Sitting throwing rocks across the pavement, hoping it'll cave in and swallow me whole. Wondering why my mind keeps on spinning. This isn't how living to me was told. Why am I like this? Something's always amiss. Can't put my finger on it, but it's there. Wait for it to subside, but my mind won't apply. Waiting for the clear. Is it bad? Sometimes I like it when I lose control. There's something in it that's so beautiful. You're the night sky trying to make me see your stars. But the dark gets so lonely. Now I see violet, I can feel silence. And the dark's all that I see. When your stars have burnt out and your heart.
They don't have what I want. I didn't came here to pick frame. I have frames at home, so I needed something to gum it to the wall because my wall is so strong, so I couldn't pull hole. I just needed something to just like place it in the wall without putting hole in my wall, but fortunately they don't have. So we're going back. I'll go and check the next up. Done here. So I ended up picking this one. So I'm going home now. I'm going home. Nah, this, yeah. Ticket. So they didn't allow me to record there. I don't know why. But the woman said, "Don't record my face, don't record my face." Like, so yeah. I don't know. If now let me experience this thing, like as a blogger or as a vlogger, you will go to supermarket and you go to some certain place, they will say, "No madam, sorry, we can't allow you to record here." Like, why guys? I didn't see what I came here to pick to buy, and I didn't went home direct to so I end up buying other things. Like, is that not so? Like, am I the only one, or it happened to everybody? Like, you go to supermarket and you say, "Oh no, I'm just going there to pick just this thing." and later on you end up picking up what you don't even want, and not that you don't want it, but like it's not really that important. Yeah, that's what happened to me right now. Like I went to supermarket to pick some things to hang my frame, but I ended up buying more, let me say frame. I don't know what this thing is called, but let's just say frame. So I don't know. Ah, God, I don't even, my husband is watching this to the meltdown. I know. Oh God, I'm going back home now. I don't want to go to other supermarkets, so I won't end up buying what I don't want. Look at where I'm coming from. Like I'm going this way, so I want to go and take bus. I will see you guys in a minute when I'm in the bus stop. I'll be making a new video of hair tutorial on my channel. You guys should be expecting the video. It will be cool. I ended up buying this one. This is the iron. I show you guys, this is the iron, and I picked this one. I think this one is more better than the other one. I don't know. And this toys for my baby. I don't know buying this things like this one. I think this shade is cute. I don't know. I think it's cute. So guys, I did not buying these things. Like, who sent me? Who sent me?